12.8. An electric heater supplies heat to a system at a rate of 100 watt. If a system performs work at a rate of 75 joules per second, at what rate is the internal energy increasing? Now see, delta Q by delta T, 100 watt, what means joule per second? So delta Q by delta T. Delta W by delta T, work done at the rate that is given to you, 75 joule per second. We have equation delta Q equal to delta U plus delta W. Divide both the side by delta T. So delta Q by delta T equal to delta U by delta T plus delta W by delta T. We want to find the rate of increasing in internal energy. So delta U by delta T, that is the subject, equal to delta Q by delta T minus delta W by delta T. 100 minus 75, answer is 25. Clear?